Getting an NFL Sunday Ticket location error when trying to stream. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First, you want to make sure your location services are turned on. For that, open up your settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from this list of applications, you want to find Sunday Ticket. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on the permissions option. Here you will find location. Tap on that. If you have set that don't allow, go ahead and select allow only while using the app option. Also make sure to toggle on the option of use precise location. Now if you're using your iPhone device, then you want to head over to settings, then tap privacy and security, then select location services and toggle it on. If you're still seeing the error, check your Wi-Fi or mobile network. Sometimes hotel Wi-Fi or public hotspots confuses the app. Switch to mobile data or reset your router if you're at home. Next, you want to update the NFL Sunday Ticket app. For that, open up Play Store or App Store. Now you want to search for NFL Sunday Ticket. If you find the update option, go ahead and tap on it to update the application to the latest version. If you're traveling or using a VPN, that might be causing the issue. So you want to turn off the VPN, or if you are outside US, connect to a reliable US server before logging in. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.